We're going to see autonomous departments. I mentioned that earlier. I think you'll have call it an augmented billing department that is driven by agents and AI. It'll handle 30, 40, 80% of, the workflow. You will start seeing more and more in that, not just for billing, but HR and for, other sort of tasks that humans don't necessarily need to do or want to do. I think you're also going to start seeing, we're starting to see this already, is let's call it on-the-fly software. We can code things in an incredibly fast way that we could never do before. So let's say temporary business applications that solve like one-off challenges. I think you're going to start seeing more and more of that. I'm starting to do that myself. So if I'm doing it, I know there's people way smarter than me that are doing that inside of their businesses. And then finally, I'd say we started seeing this a little bit in 2025, small language models. A lot of talk earlier about large language models, but we barely talked about small language models that run locally, securely. So I don't have to rely more on the hyperscalers of the world. So platforms that I can manage and control and secure myself to be able to accomplish, again, those one-off use cases that otherwise I wouldn't want to touch, a year ago.